Okay, this one is just like yesterday's. There's some questions I want you to write down, and then we'll go ahead and start. So I want you to write down the questions. Why did Jeb want to return home? Why were the prices for supplies along the trail so high? Clue, think how important toilet paper is to people right now. And the third one, what will Jeb and his family do when they reach California? So what we're going to do is I'm going to read this, and you're going to find clues in the story to answer these questions, and then you're going to draw your own conclusions and write them here. So before you go any further, make sure these questions are copied down. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read it for you, and then you're going to put down clues that you find in the text to answer these questions and draw your own conclusions. Opening of the West. The year was 1850. Jeb and his family were traveling west on the California Trail. Gold had been discovered in California, and the land there was fertile and some was free. Jeb's father had decided to move the family west, so they had joined a wagon train. Every other day, rain soaked their covered wagon and supplies were lost as they crossed rivers. On hot days, the horses kicked up dust that coated Jeb. Fears of attack were constant. Jeb dreamed of his warm bed at home. Supplies did not last long, and many people arrived in towns with just the clothes on their backs. There were few stores selling supplies along the trails, and those supplies had to be brought in from hundreds of miles away. Many people were not prepared for the costs of traveling west, yet his father kept smiling. Jeb thought back to when the family first left. "There's land waiting for us and maybe even gold," his father had said. "There's so much opportunity for us out west." All right, your job now is to find the clues that answer these questions in the text and to draw your own conclusions. When you're finished, take a picture and turn in your work for me.